Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss 10 vocabulary related to hospital. We will also discuss the meaning and usage of these words. The first word for discussion is nauseous. This is an action which gives you a feeling of vomiting. This word can be used in a sentence like this. The sting gland secretes a nauseous fluid. So, this sentence actually means that the sting glands secrete a fluid in our body, and especially this is like felt only in our throats. They get secreted in our throats. So, this fluid would make us feel a vomiting sensation. The next vocabulary which we are going to discuss is blister. A blister is a small bubble on the skin filled with serum and caused by friction, burning, or any other type of damage. Moving on to the illustration, Ria felt a small blister rising up on her feet as she walked all day wearing an uncomfortable shoes. You would have also had the experience of wearing a new shoe or an uncomfortable shoe, right? So the first time when we wear such shoes, we have a wound kind of a thing in our foot. So that is called a blister. The next one is bruise. Bruise is an area appearing as an area of discolored skin on the body caused by a blow or impact rupturing underlying blood vessels in our body. This word can be used in a sentence as follows. The doctor had noticed a darkening bruise on her left cheek. The next word which we are going to see is concussion. A temporary unconsciousness or confusion and other symptoms caused by a blow on the head is called a concussion. In simple words, the after effects of an head injury is a concussion. Let's see the usage of this word now. Roy suffered a severe concussion after falling down from the stairs. That is, after Roy fell down, he was temporarily unconscious. The next vocabulary which we are going to discuss is fatigue. When you are extremely tired because of some mental or physical exertion, or even due to your illness, this uneasy feeling is known as fatigue. Now, let's run through the example. John was fatigued from the long journey. Here, John is feeling very tired because of the travel which he had taken up. Let's have a glance at the next word. The action of protecting a person or an animal from an infectious disease by putting a substance into the body that makes it produce antibodies is called as immunization. Immunization is given to us either orally through drops or it is injected. Have a look at the example. Newborn babies build immunity in their body from the immunization given to them through vaccines. Let's leap on to the next word. So it is cast. Cast in medical terminology means a plaster around the broken body part to protect it, while the broken bones repair itself. The illustration of how to use the word cast goes like this. She is having a cast on her hand right now. Moving forward to the next vocabulary, it is crutches. Crutches are nothing but the support which is used by an injured or disabled person as an aid to walk. So the example sentence for this word goes like this. Hayden was suggested by his doctor to use crutches post his operation. The ninth word of today's discussion is prenatal. Prenatal is the term given for the medical care to pregnant women before the babies are born. We shall now see how to use this word prenatal in a sentence. Women who receive adequate prenatal care tend to have better pregnancy outcomes when compared to those who receive little or no care. Scrubs. The plain blue or green colored uniforms worn by the doctors and nurses is called as the scrub. Let's see the example now. The doctors will have to wear clean, washed, and sterilized scrubs every day. Hope you came across few new vocabulary related to the hospital theme. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for our future videos and click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.